Hi everyone, this is Ali, your travel advisor. Planning your next adventure? Don't just rely on the basics. Make your travels smoother, smarter, and more exciting with a few essential apps. These aren't just your average tools. They are game changers that help you explore like a local, stay organized, dodge tourist traps, and even pack perfectly. Here are 8 travel apps you'll wish you'd known about sooner. Let's start with packing. 1. PackPoint. Pack smart. Travel light. Packing for a trip has never been easier. PackPoint customizes a packing list for you based on your destination, activities, and the weather. You can add and remove items, check things off as you go, and avoid last-minute overpacking. Then, do you need to plan for the trip? 2. Airbnb. Live like a local. Airbnb lets you live in unique homes, from cozy studios to historic houses, right in the heart of local neighborhoods. Plus, a kitchen can be a budget saver if you'd rather cook in than eat out every night. It's a great way to feel at home and get a taste of everyday life. Do you need a transportation guide? 3. Rome to Rio. The ultimate transportation guide. Getting around a new country can be confusing, but Rome to Rio simplifies it. Whether by plane, train, bus, or ferry, this app shows cost-effective routes and timing, so you'll always know the best way to get from point A to B, no matter where you are. Do you need a travel assistant? 4. TripIt. Organize like a pro. Imagine having all your travel plans, flights, hotels, car rentals, in one easy-to-access place. With TripIt, just forward your confirmation emails, and the app creates a detailed itinerary for you, complete with times and addresses. Perfect for keeping organized without endless inbox searching. What about using money abroad? 5. XE Currency. Smart money moves. Don't let currency confusion ruin your budget. XE Currency provides real-time exchange rates and offline access, so you can make smart spending choices, whether haggling at a market or splitting the bill with new friends. Track multiple currencies with ease and avoid hidden fees. How do you communicate with people abroad? 6. Google Translate. Break the language barrier. Google Translate is your pocket-sized interpreter. Translate menus, signs, and even live conversations instantly. Just point your camera or type what you need. This tool makes travel less intimidating, letting you connect with locals without the language barrier. Do you want to find the best restaurant on your destination trip? 7. TripAdvisor. Dodge tourist traps. Skip the tourist traps and dive into authentic experiences with TripAdvisor. Get insights from other travelers on the best places to eat, shop, and visit. It's loaded with photos, reviews, and advice to help you find the real highlights wherever you go. Last but not least, 8. Google Maps. More than directions, Google Maps is not just for navigating from point A to B. It's a local explorer's best friend. Skip the touristy areas by zooming in to uncover hidden gems, authentic eateries, and quirky attractions. With live foot traffic updates and restaurant availability, it's your go-to tool to dodge crowds and discover a city's hidden soul. These apps are all you need to transform your next trip into a well-organized, culturally rich experience. Download them now and get ready to travel like a pro. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See you next time.